Good morning, students of Winner Small Wonder School. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your mathematics teacher, Gyaneshwari Sharma from Winner Small Wonder School. In the previous video of chapter number 1, Vedic Maths, that is, introduction, we have discussed, and we have discussed a new method of addition, that is addition using Sutra Ekadikin Purvain plus Shunyant number method. Please students take out your notebook and open the page where you have written yes. Before going to proceed this topic, let's revise once again, okay? And try to answer me the question. Let's take an example again. Add 65 and 13. Add 65 and 13. What was the process of addition using Shunyant number? We have to convert one number into a Shunyant number. That is rounding off one digit to tens. Shunyant number. This is the Shunyant number for this number. Okay. How will we make this number a Shunyant number? By adding 5 to this number. Okay. Now to the next number, that is 13. What we have to do? We have to subtract this 5 from this. The number we have added to the first digit, the same number we have to subtract from the second digit. Okay, what will you get? 8. Now add the resultant numbers, that is 70 plus 08. Answer will be 78. Okay, you can check the answer by simply adding these two. 65 and 13 will be 78. Okay, now I hope you all understand this very well. Now let's do a question based on this method. Write down in your notebooks addition using Ekadhiken Purvain plus Shunyant number method. Okay? Students, please write down the question in your notebook. Write down the digits also. 4, 9, 9, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 1, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7. These numbers we have to add using this method. Okay, this method we have to use. Now, step number 1. What is the step number 1? We have to take two digits, that is 98 and 89, and add these two numbers using Shunyant number method. Okay, same process we have to do that we have done above. Change one number into Shunyant number. Okay. "98" is written as 100 after adding 2, and this deficiency we will recover from the second one, that is -2. Okay, what will you get? 87. Number which is added to the first number, the same number we have to subtract from the second number, and the resultant numbers we have to add. Add 100 and 87. What will you get? 187. Now, second step. Second step is these two numbers I will require in the second step for addition. But what about this number? The 100 place number will go as carry just before the second number of addition in the form of ekadik mark. Okay, we have to mark this one as ekadikane on the digit which is just before the second number of addition. Here the second number of addition is 89. We have added 98 and 89. So the second number of addition is 89. So we have to put mark of mark ekadiki on 7. Okay, just before the second digit number. Okay, now second number step number 2. And what we have got here after adding these two, 87 and 1 carry over this 2. This 87 and 15 we have to add. 87 from the above step and 15 from the next part of the question. Same process we have to do. 87 converted into shunyant number. Okay, by adding 3, and similarly 15 converted into 12 after subtracting 3. The resultant will be added, that is 90 plus 12, that is 1, 0 and 2. Same, these two numbers will be written 87 plus 15, 102, and 1 will go as carry just before the second digit of addition. Second digit is 15. 15, before 15 the number is 7, so we have to put ekadik mark on 7. Okay, and the rest of the digit will be used in the next step, that is step number 3. 02 plus 37. Now these two numbers, 02 is very close to 0 and 37. You may add these two numbers simply, or you may convert this in shunyant number also, like 37 will be written as 02 will be written as. If I add 8 to 02, what will you get? 10, that is your shunyant number. Okay, and the same number if I subtract from this, what will you get? 29. Now add these two numbers, that is 29 plus 10. Your answer will be 39. Okay, and this is the last step of this column. So write down the answer here, that is 39. Now same process we have to do here for the second column. Step number 4. In step number 4, what we have to do again? 49 and 49 and 67 dot. Okay, dot of 67, that is 68. Okay students, same we have to do, converting 49 into shunyant number by adding plus 1 and subtracting 68 with 1, that is 67. Now add these two resultants, what will you get? 50 plus 67, that is 117. Again the same process. Now these two numbers, that is 117, these two numbers 17 will be used here. When I am adding these two numbers, what I get? I get here 17, these two numbers, but the carry of 1 will go to the carry on 0, as there is no number before 6. That's why we have to write here 0. Okay, and I have to put a mark of ekadik on this 0. Okay, now 17, step number 5. This 17 will be used in next step and add with 57 dot. Okay, dot of 57 is 58. Okay, students. Now add these two. How will you add? Same process, converting this into Shunyant number, that is, this will be written as 20 after adding plus 3, and 58 minus 3, this will be 55. Okay, this is a Shunyant number. Shunyant number. This is also Shunyant number. Okay, now add these two, that is, add 20 and 55, that is 75. Okay, I get 75 here. Okay, 17 plus 57 dot, that is 75 without any 100th place number. Now next step. Step number 6. 75 plus 48. Add 75 and 48. Same, convert this 75 into Shunyant number, that is 80. This will be your Shunyant number, and 48. This will we get after adding 5. So subtract 5 from 48, that is 43. Now add these two resultant numbers, that is 80 plus 43. This will answer you as 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now these two numbers will be written here, and this 1 will go to the carry just before the second number of addition. But as there is no number before 4, this digit 4, that's why I have to write a 0 here and put a ekadik mark on this. Okay, this 23 I have written here because this is the last step of this column, and 1 as a carry will go to the number which is before 4. But you see that here no number is here, that's why I have written 0 and put ekadik mark. Okay, now last step. Step number 7. We have 2 zeros in this column. Okay, 0 with dot this and 0 with dot. We have to add these two numbers. Dot of 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. Right here 2. This is your answer after doing these steps. You may check this answer by adding simply the addition method. Okay, now I want to give you a question for practice at home. Write down in your notebook. Do addition using above method, that is, add 5, 8, 6, 3, 1, 5, 9866059271. Add these numbers using the above method. Okay, that's all for today, students. Hope you have enjoyed this process, this method. Okay, see you tomorrow with another more question. Goodbye.